Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we're taking a look at the Bitcoin US dollar price chart. Worst case scenario, how low can Bitcoin go in the bear market? The first episode we had was in May 2022, the 18th of May 2022. Bitcoin was trading for $29,000 there. We talked about how Bitcoin can come to this 20,000, maybe below 20,000. And guys, guess what happened? Bitcoin actually came below 20,000 and went to as low as 17,600. Is the bottom in for Bitcoin? In this video, we'll also be looking at Bitcoin's market cap to tell us how low Bitcoin can go in the bear market, taking a look at the total crypto market cap. Currently sits at $1 trillion. Can we go lower than that? How will it affect Bitcoin? And then we'll take a look at Bitcoin dominance. Currently at 40%, we'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel and you want to make money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, this is the channel for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, Bitcoin is trading for 21,400. Bitcoin is trading below its 200-day moving average. That level has acted as support for us in previous bear markets, and that's actually marked the bottom of the previous Bitcoin bear market. But this time, it looks as if it's different. The first time Bitcoin came to its 200-week moving average was in 2015. The two times Bitcoin bottom in 2015, Bitcoin bottom around the 200 moving average. In 2018, Bitcoin actually bottomed around the 200-week moving average right here. The COVID sell-off we had, Bitcoin went below the 200-week moving average, but Bitcoin quickly recovered and went to set new all-time highs. Right now, in 2022, Bitcoin has been consolidating below this moving average for more than 8 weeks right now. This average right now is acting as resistance, normally acts as support for us during the bear market, but in this bear market, it's acting as resistance, which begs the question, how low can Bitcoin go in this bear market? Guys, if Bitcoin loses support where we are right now, we might see Bitcoin trading around $14,000, maybe $13,000. A lot of people are postulating that Bitcoin will bottom around $14,000. And there's proof, guys, that Bitcoin can actually bottom there because there's a critical support level there at $13,000, $14,000 region. You can see when we were pumping in 2019, the relief rally we had after the bear market, Bitcoin got stopped at around that $13,500 region. And even when we were dumping to Gobbling Town in 2017, this was a very, very critical level for Bitcoin. After Bitcoin went above 13,000, it was just YOLO. People are just pumping. It was retail investors who were pumping the price to the moon. And after we broke through this level, guess what? We went straight to new all-time highs. That's why there's a lot of rumors that maybe, just maybe, we might see Bitcoin trading at that level. But what other evidence do we have to say Bitcoin will trade at that level? What other evidence can we point to say maybe, just maybe, this is why Bitcoin will trade at that level minus Bitcoin trading below its moving average? Guys, we have to look at Bitcoin's market cap. Now, Bitcoin's market cap has not gone below the previous all-time high. Bitcoin actually found support around the previous all-time high. But if you look at the price chart for Bitcoin, we went below the 2017 bull market top. Like 2017, Bitcoin topped around 19,400. Guess what? In this bear market, Bitcoin went to as low as 17,600. Even though Bitcoin has been struggling around that region, but guys, it looks as if Bitcoin doesn't have enough momentum to pump to the upside. So we might just see Bitcoin have one final dump to the downside. It looks as if Bitcoin is repeating what it did in March 2022. Let me take this off the screen so that we can see everything clearly. Bitcoin is repeating what it did in March 2022 here, where Bitcoin tricked us thinking, you know what, maybe there's one final leg to the upside, and then we dumped violently. Is that what's happening right here? Bitcoin is tricking us so that we think there's one final leg to the upside and we're going to dump again. Only time will tell. I've seen some extreme thoughts. People are saying we might see Bitcoin go at $3,000. I don't think that's possible. But guys, if you look at Bitcoin's 300-week moving average, it gives us a very, very clear picture where Bitcoin might be heading to in the coming weeks. Bitcoin has not come to its 300-week moving average for quite a while. The first time it did that was during the COVID sell-off, and Bitcoin found support around that level, and that was around 3,800 when the COVID sell-off happened in 2020. Right now, Bitcoin 300-week moving average currently sits at 17,300. So are we going to see Bitcoin come back to this level? And technically, Bitcoin will be setting a new low, but at the same time, Bitcoin will be finding support around that 300-week moving average. That's how low I think Bitcoin might go. If we take a look at Bitcoin's market cap found support at the previous all-time high. If we lose that support and Bitcoin keeps dumping, probably to the 0.72 retracement level, which currently sits for Bitcoin around $250 billion. It's very, very critical level for Bitcoin. I believe Bitcoin will find support at that level. You can see that Bitcoin got stopped out at that level in the rally that we had in 2019. After we pass that $250 billion region, we'll head straight to over $1 trillion. That's a very, very important level for Bitcoin. So I won't be surprised to see if Bitcoin's market cap drop from as high as $410 billion to as low as $250 billion. It means Bitcoin can still drop another 39%. Now, if Bitcoin is dropping 39% from where we are right now on Bitcoin's market cap, what will it mean for Bitcoin's price? Based on the moving average, Bitcoin can drop to as low as 17,100, 17,200, and you'll find support around the 300-week moving average. But if Bitcoin is going to drop another 39% from 21,400, where Bitcoin is currently trading at, guys, we might see Bitcoin go to as low as $13,000, which brings us back to this important level I told you guys at the beginning part of this video. This $13,000 region is a very, very important support level there. If you see Bitcoin drop down on the market cap, this will be a very important level for you to look out for in the future. But Bitcoin will need to break below this 300-week moving average, and I think Bitcoin will find support there, just how the 200-week moving average has been holding us over the years as support in the bear market. I believe that right now, going forward, we'll actually start looking at the 300-week moving average. So I'll not be surprised to see Bitcoin come back to 17,200, 17,100 at some point in time in the future. If we take a look at the general crypto market cap, total crypto market cap is currently at $1 trillion, and we found support at the previous all-time high. The previous all-time high was around $760 billion. Guys, if that level doesn't hold and we break below that level, we might see us in Goblin Town, which means we'll go below $760 billion. We might actually go to as low as $423 billion. From where we are right now, it means the general crypto market can drop another 56%. This is why all coins are very, very risky. But if the market will drop that low, I just showed you guys, Bitcoin is telling us that maybe, just maybe, we'll see Bitcoin drop only 39%. And Bitcoin dropping 39% will carry to $13,000. And let's ask ourselves, what will happen to Bitcoin dominance in that instance? Now, the general market is going to fall another 50, 59%, and Bitcoin itself is only going to fall another 39%, guys. It means we'll see increase in Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance will shoot up. Bitcoin dominance have been dumping, and anytime Bitcoin dominance is dumping, it means all coins are outperforming Bitcoin. All coins have been outperforming Bitcoin since May 2021, and that was the lowest we got in the Bitcoin dominance in this cycle. Bitcoin has not been able to break below that 39.5% region in this cycle, but this has just been all coins outperforming Bitcoin all this while. At some point in time, Bitcoin dominance will have to make a decision either to break down, which means all coins will keep pumping really hard and we'll have huge alt season, or it will go to the upside. It means Bitcoin is going to start gaining value against all these altcoins. Only time will tell, but the market is shaping up to show us maybe, just maybe, Bitcoin dominance will start going up to the moon and altcoins will become very, very risky. Right now, altcoins are the thing in vogue. This altcoin season index is showing us that right now it's alt season, and all the other times that's printed alt season has been times that have been ending phases of the cycle. That means the market is pumping, everybody's happy, expecting higher prices, and then boom, a huge crash is coming. So it's a huge crash around the corner. Only time will tell, guys. I want you to drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, at what price will you be buying Bitcoin? Are you already accumulating Bitcoin for the next bull run? Because at some point in time in the future, we are going to see Bitcoin trading for $100,000, maybe $200,000. You want to be getting some Bitcoin around this $20,000, maybe less than $20,000 region, because history has shown that Bitcoin always finds bottom around the 200-week moving average. Right now, Bitcoin is consolidating there. If Bitcoin doesn't hold that level, the next level we want Bitcoin to hold will be the 300-week moving average. Currency sits at $17,294. The COVID sell-off, we found support right there. I believe in the 2022 bear market, Bitcoin is going to find support right there. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.